Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how you can go ahead and disable background applications on your computer. Now, as we all know already, background applications can take a huge toll on our computer and overall drastically impact the performance of our computer and make it very laggy. So in this video, I will go ahead and teach you guys how you guys can go ahead and actually disable those background applications. So let's go ahead and get right into it here. So on your Windows 11 computer, go ahead and head over to the search bar and search up settings. Now, if you guys already have the settings tab right here already to your taskbar, just go ahead and click it. But right here, I'm gonna go ahead and click the settings, and I'm gonna go ahead and make my way down to apps. Now, under apps, you're gonna want to go all the way to the bottom where it says startup. Now, under startup, you're gonna see all of the background apps that you're gonna have running in the background. Now, you can see it actually labels them if they have an impact on your computer or not. Now, here you can see that this very first one, which is called Adobe GC Invoker Utility, has a very high impact on my computer. Although I don't know what this is, I am not going to touch it right now. But I have this other thing, Alt Server, that's for like iPhones and stuff, and it has a medium impact. So if I go ahead and disable this, it's not going to run in the background, and it's going to give me more frames and better performance on my PC. Now, everything that's high impact can go ahead and actually close out or turn off. Now, I'm going to turn off CC Cleaner. That's just used for cleaning my computer every now and then. Origin does have a high impact, so I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. But essentially, that's what you're going to want to go ahead and do. Find the high impact ones and turn them off, and it's going to go ahead and give you guys better performance on your computer, and overall it's going to improve your performance overall. But with that being said, guys, would you guys leave a like on the video, guys, if you found this video helpful? And with that being said, if you haven't already, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys until next time.